Hey everybody. Well, I got a 4060. I was going to get the 4060 Ti, but it was an MSI one and it was $100 more. And on top of that, I don't know if it was going to fit because it was a 3-fan one and I wasn't going to chance because if it wouldn't fit, I would have to go take it back, blah, blah, blah. So I got this one, the Gigabyte one. The Gigabyte one. This is an overclock. See, there you go. DLSS. There you go. See, this is DLSS Ray Tracing Reflex Studio. This is overclocking edition. WINDFORCE OC. What does it look like, OG? 8 gigabytes, 4060 gigabyte. Let's unbox it. All right, now let's open it. First opening. If I can bend this. There we go. Gotta bend it. There's the card and the little plastic. Let's see. This is it. Let me see if there's anything else. No, ain't nothing else up in here. The buzz. Let me see. Oh, just a piece of paper. Quick graphics guide. No CD. People don't do CDs no more. You used to use that to put the CD in. Now you just go to their website and you download it. So hold on, let me get it out the plastic. All right, there it is. GeForce. Gigabyte. There you go. Let me flip it this way. I hope my power things can fit. Because the thing is, I have I think it's an 850 power supply from Corsair. And my computer, some people say that the 4060 could bottleneck it. We'll see, because this is, like I said, this is a 4060 8 gigabyte one. And I'm going to, really this is a backup, but we're going to try and see how it works out and stuff, because it's backing up the 3060. Now, if it works good, we might use the 3060 with 12 gigabytes of VRAM as a backup and just use this one. Well, we'll see, because we're going to test this out on Truck Simulator, Madden Football, and Ready or Not video games. See how that works out, because those are the only games I play. You know, those are all that I play on there. So, yeah, there she goes. Your thing, this is covered, and these are covered. And there you go. And while we at it, hold on, and I'll show you the other one that was in there. Hold on. And this is my EVGA graphics card. This is 3060 12 gig one. I'm just, we're going to see first how the 4060 works. 4060 works good. We'll do some more clean this one up and put it back in its box and use it as backup, because that's what I bought this for. I bought this for as a backup to this, because let me show you what else I have. This is my 2060. This is my first RTX card. This has 6 gigabytes. Now, this is the one I'm selling. I'm selling this. This works good. I'm selling this because it's 6 gigabytes. I bought this in 2020. And this is not a good backup for a 3060. So that's why I bought the 4060. Because see, let me tell y'all this. I know people wonder, why you guys always buy these graphic cards every year? For testing out, to this, that, because I have a small YouTube tech channel, but you sometimes have to buy these things to test them out for the public and stuff and see if that's what they want and show the, God, I forgot the name of it. Not the specs, but the FPS and stuff like that. So, yeah. But for me, though, like I said, this 4060 is going to be a backup. Well, if it's good, this might be the backup to this. So, this is some backup stuff. Because this can't be this is not a backup no more. This is too old. This is 6 gigabytes. You can't do nothing with that. So I'm trying to get out of here for 170 to 150. So yeah. So let's put this one in the PC and test it out. Gigabyte. There we go. So we got to put it in this slot. Like I said, you know, this is I don't care. So we got to put it in this slot. So now I know last time I did this, everybody clowned me. I know what I'm doing. Let's hook it in. Okay, so it's in there. See, it's in there. So I'm like, did you put it in there? Yes, I did. See, there go the locks. There go the lock. And it is all the way in there. So now I got to put the screws in it and plug it in right here. So let me do that. Screwing it in there and oops. All right. Now put the other one in. All right, I got it. And then you gotta screw this one in. Good. Because you have to unloosen it just to get the other one in. All right. Now, the big part is the power. I'm trying to figure out which one is it. Is it this one? I think it's this one. Or will it still think this one? Is it? Let's see. Oh, it's backwards. It might be backwards. Let me see. Oh, or is it? Let me see. Is it gonna fit this? Yeah, it is backwards. Let's see. Yeah, I might have to do some turning around. Let's see, where is this hooked into? Yeah, because this is turned differently. Let me fix it. I think I got it. So let me see. Gotta put this one in if I can. Got that one, and let's see. Oops, it's turned the wrong way. That one, there you go. Boom. And boom. So it's flipped. Okay. Now the good part, y'all. Gotta put the computer back together. So I gotta put my computer back together. And there she is. 4060 and a 1010 Intel computer. Gonna see how it works. Okay, oh, we got the screen. The screen is on. Yeah, dogs. The screen is on. Now, hold on. Okay, the screen is on. The screen is on. All right. What the? Okay, it's trying to. I think it's trying to gather it. There we go. It's gonna take a minute, and I got to download the I got to download the drives for the card, and I have to download the God damn it, the GeForce, and I have to download the drivers from the what is that card? Gigabyte. So it's not gonna be in this video, but and I know people go, "Who's that girl?" Oh, I designed this person. That's AI. That's an AI girl I designed. So yeah. So let me go. This video has been long.